Hello everyone, Eastern Seducer here. Today I'm gonna share with you that short story about my friend, which I talked about in the previous podcast when I get into this speed seduction seminar. Um, so about this guy, it just reminded me when I see his profile on the Facebook. Um, so this was the guy who gave me this pirated materials. Yeah, we've recorded seminar, speed seduction seminar, and yeah, the guy was typical shy, nice guy who wasn't really good in sales. He didn't really have the social skills, but the guy was he was quite ambitious. He was interested in self development, and he was also good in search engine optimization, web design, that kind of stuff. So he was making decent money of it. So he took one of these Ross Jeffries speed seduction seminars, um, but the guy had no confidence, no masculine vibe, and like if you look at him, you'd think he probably never was in a fight. So I just had a feeling that it didn't have too much success with women. And if I had this feeling, so I can imagine that women could feel it like 10 times more. Um, so after getting these CDs and DVDs with this recording of this speed seduction seminar, he also gave me the access to this internet forum for these guys who are clients of these coaches, yeah, who did this speed seduction seminar and who participated in these workshops. And I could see his post, yeah, on the forum, like it was totally fake, yeah, because in this post the guy he was presenting this image as he is the cocky, confident. He does well with women. Um, he does well with life, and it was quite the opposite, like it was in the real life. Yeah. So basically, he just created this fake internet persona. Yeah. Like he has his shit together. So in fact, I never seen him with the girl, or I never heard about him having a girlfriend, and I knew him few years, like since 2004. And years later, when I moved abroad, I could see him on the social media when he got married. But if you look at his wife, she wasn't hot. It was like average woman, and she was about 10 years older than him. So the story is, the moral of this story is, the guy just created the guy just created this fake persona. He just learned the material, but from this pickup seminar, but he never lived it. Yeah, he never lived through it. And I think many guys had this problem when they read ebooks, they buy courses, they buy seminars. They just learn the information, but they never execute it. Yes, so basically they never build themselves. They never build their personality. So it's like trying to become athlete just by reading books. Yeah, just by reading materials. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. I think you get something from this story. Do not try to be fake. Do not read endless ebooks. Do not spend money for the seminars. Just take some actions. And that's it for today. If you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, and if you have problems with the dating life, contact me. Maybe I could help. That's it for today. Thank you.